Hey guys, my name is Ben. I'm the owner, founder, designer at BamBeds. We make tailored fit bed platforms for common cars and trucks. This is an example of our 6-foot bed Tacoma solo full platform. So this platform can be used in either half width mode or full width mode with these boards. I can demonstrate how that goes in. We keep it simple, don't use any fasteners or anything like that. Everything's just a nice slip fit design. So it's easy to put in and out in about 2 to 3 minutes for the whole platform. And it's a low commitment solution for people that want to be able to go camp on the weekend, but they need their whole truck bed back for the week. And we've got a few different designs for the Tacoma. This is our version 2 design, which has this 2-column functionality. The design that's standing out over here is a 3-panel design which sits on the existing bed ledge in the Toyota Tacoma. This is still our most popular product. 3 identical boards that can be used in any location within the truck bed. So it doesn't get any simpler than that. We also have some under storage solutions. Again, we keep it super simple. We don't do any big bulky drawer systems. We just do a slider. So this is literally just a tray that sits on the bottom of the bed, so you get maximum cargo storage. And you can put skis in here, surfboards. It comes out in literally 2 seconds. And we're covering as many vehicles as we can. The Toyotas are really popular, but we're working on other vehicles like the Ram, which is what you see here. This is a Ram truck bed platform. F-150, Ranger, Silverado's coming soon, Colorado, and the GMCs are coming soon as well. So thank you guys for tuning in. And if you'd like to find more information about us, you can go to bambeds.com and shop by vehicle, see what we have. Thank you.